Congratulations, you have successfully registered for SmartPac. You are now a temporary administrator for 5 days. When we developed SmartPac, we wanted to create a proprietary variable print and online ordering system like no other. We wanted to give you a unique opportunity to tailor it and customize it specifically to your needs. What we do is take flat art templates on die lines and program the content to fit them. As your business grows and new die lines are required to meet your variable print demands, there's no need to worry. You can just send them to us and we'll add it to the system for you. SmartPac not only bridges the gap between you and the printer, it creates press-ready final art PDFs. The printer simply drops your live UPC and GS1 codes into place and finally uploads approved back to you through the same system for approval and annotation. SmartPac also manages your inventory of printed flats. All of this functionality is made available in our intuitive centralized system. No other variable print software can do what SmartPac does. This system is a necessity in the ever-changing cannabis industry and most importantly ensures your packaging and product speed to market. Let's get started. You've now successfully logged in and you've landed on the home page. Note the GreenStaar logo in the bottom left corner. This would be replaced by your corporate logo. Goldrich in the bottom right corner is our partner printer. But if you would prefer to continue working with your current printer, no problem. We provide training and setup with the software to manage your variable print. Goldrich is an award-winning printer conveniently located in the GTA. They are experts with SmartPac and understand the needs and quick turnaround times required for the cannabis trade. For this demonstration, we have uploaded several die line templates customized for GreenStaar. These, of course, would be your die lines and templates with your brand logos. Catalogs on the left are created to help organize your die lines into categories. For this example, we will show 1 gram cartons, 1 gram pre-roll cartons, and 1 gram oil cartons. Let's click on the first die line called Capricornus. SmartPac manages inventory for what is available among the pre-printed shells that are currently on the press room floor. When we say shells, we are referring to the pre-printed cartons that would be ordered by you in advance to allow for quick variable print turnaround. The shells are printed and ganged up to get the most out of a press sheet. They are printed 3-color, red, yellow, and your brand spot color. All the black input is generated through SmartPac when you are placing an order. From here on in, we will call that the variable print. Here you can see the available shells column reads at 50,000. Next, let's click the enlarge button. You'll see the flat die line with artwork. All of the standard mandatory copy, dried cannabis, keep out of reach of children, is pre-formatted as this is constant and does not change. The blank white areas are for the THC CBD content, the yellow boxes are for the 14 mandatory Health Canada warnings, and you can add packaging on dates or leave the area blank to stamp at your plant's facility. The UPC and GS1 code information is variable and will be generated by the printer and dropped into the press-ready art before they upload a proof back to you for approval. We also include a scan report to show the GS1 code information and UPC have passed the scan test for your records. Next, we will order our first variable print carton. Click on the shopping cart on the right. For example, I'll choose Aquarius. Type in your quantity, lot number, etc. by tabbing each field or simply by moving your mouse there and clicking on the field. Click Next Stage and you'll be able to see your generated PDF. Here you can see all of the information we've entered. Note that when you're adding something to your cart, the UPC entry is grayed out. This is because we can pre-program in your UPCs so you don't have to key that information in. This is another safeguard to the system to help prevent human error. If you would like a packaged on date, select that field and choose your date. If you would prefer to leave that area blank, as you might not be sure when your harvest will be packaged and would prefer to stamp it at the plant after it is packaged, then do not select the square. Next, you can select warning 1 through 14. These are the standard warnings as supplied and mandated by Health Canada. This system allows you to select your warnings, tracks how many times you have used that warning with the statistics system, and ensures that you're using all 14 warnings throughout the year as required by Health Canada. Pretty cool, eh? If you make a mistake filling out the order form, the system will prompt you to fix it. Here you can see I forgot to input the total amount of THC. If this proof looks right to you, select Finish on the bottom right, and a message appears that you have successfully added to your shopping cart. You can place multiple items or SKUs into your shopping cart before actually submitting the order. In the shopping cart, you have the opportunity to confirm your order is correct by reviewing all of the proof information. If you spot something incorrect, select the pencil edit button on the right to edit your order. If you want to delete it entirely, select the trash can and start over. This SKU looks correct, so now we're ready to place our order. Okay, we've placed our order and a message appears. Your order was created successfully. Click OK. Let's take a look at the category named Orders. Here we can access all of our orders or our individual order history. This is a great tracking item. Here we're provided with a history of all orders, the creator or person who placed the order, the status, the date ordered, the purchase order, and finally the summary. As you can see, our order is awaiting a PO. The system will be set up to generate an email to the person or team in your company that is responsible for purchase orders. Your order will not move forward to the printer without it. That person or team has the authority now to cancel this order as a final safeguard before it proceeds to the printer. Once the PO is placed, the printer will receive email notifications that there is a new order. They can now download the proof, add the UPC and GS1 codes, and re-upload you a proof for final approval. This will typically be a 2-page PDF that also includes the barcode scan tests for your final verification and record keeping. Now the system acts as an online approval system. This cuts down on files being downloaded and emailed. All of the details and final approvals about your print orders are maintained in one central system, SmartPac. Emails are auto-generated from the system to your QA approvals. Changes indicated can be added to the PDF, and once the routing has completed and the proof has been approved, the printer will get an email, "Proof is ready to print." Once your SKUs have been printed, the online inventory control will automatically deduct the orders so that you always have a current running count of your inventory available for print. Once this inventory gets below 500, an email notification will be sent that it is time to replenish your master shelves, and you can do that through the printer directly, or we can customize SmartPac for you if you would prefer to keep it all in the same system. The last thing to review is the statistics page. This is a great way for you to see at a quick glance your shell inventory and also your warnings used on your printed packaging. If, for example, you see that you have not used warning 3 at all, this might be a good time to use it on your next order, which provides some peace of mind when you're trying to follow the guidelines as mandated by Health Canada. So that's pretty much SmartPac in a nutshell. Keep in mind, we can tailor SmartPac for your business and for your needs. If you have a feature in mind that would help you better manage your printing, let us know. We'll code it for you. What Other Variable Print solution can do that? So enjoy your 5-day trial, and we can't wait to hear back from you.